I turn medicine radioactive so you don't have to worry about if it's going to hurt you. When the COVID vaccines were being developed, a lot of people did worry that they were being developed too quickly or that they hadn't been tested properly. Now, I think a lot of people worried because they weren't used to getting new medicines so fast, but it doesn't have to be that way. Designing and developing drugs takes a long time, and that's in part because it's very important to know what medicines does to our bodies. We want a new drug to be effective and to have as few side effects as possible. And the body is a very complex machine, so it's very difficult to investigate these effects. In my PhD, I have designed new methods to put tiny GPS trackers into drug molecules, so we can follow them throughout the body, see where they end up, what they turn into, and how we get rid of them again. These trackers are called carbon isotopes. Drugs, just like the human body, are made out of carbon. So that means I can exchange what's already in there for one of my trackers. You can think of it like if I'm baking a blueberry muffin and I remove one of the blueberries, but add a strawberry instead. Now this locks the tracker into the molecular structure of my drug, so it can't just fall off accidentally. It is quite a bit harder to build molecules than bake muffins, though. And that's because molecules are very small. So I have to invent tiny assembly lines called catalysts that can take one half of a molecule, couple it together with another half, with my tracker in the middle. And now the whole drug is screaming, "Here I am!" with a radioactive signal. Our bodies aren't radioactive, so I only need a very small and safe amount of radioactivity to be able to follow it around. And it feels like, or it is like, if I take a bite of a blueberry muffin and I suddenly taste strawberry. I know where that's coming from. And with these methods, we've been able to install our GPS trackers into medicines such as nausea regulators, antidepressants, and anti-cancer medicines. And that shows us that we can use carbon isotopes to design and develop new and better drugs in a safe, fast, and trackable way. Thank you.